Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Well, Wednesday night, 1st of August. I didn't do a meet night video for July, it's been a while. And I thought tonight I better, because people are asking, like 2 of you. But 2's enough, 2's enough. So here we are, we're at the Hideaway bar. And it's quite a good night, it's a very good night. Australia's in the house.
Oh, go on.
Hello. Whereabouts in Australia?
Melbourne. East Kilo. Back in East Kilo. Melbourne.
East Kilo. What's that, like a quarter of a kilo?
Well, just there, Calamari.
Calamari. Oh no, I'm thinking calamari, I'm sorry. So we've got Melbourne in the house. There's more Australians. There's Thailand Unplugged. He's an Australian.
No. There's lots of them around though.
Yeah, I've got quite a few. I think they're your lot. I'm not sure.
Got your anti-Aussie spray on you.
Hey, meow. Hello, darling. How are you?
Good.
And she's brought.
Yeah, he's my friend.
Ooh. How are you?
Hi, thank you.
You from Australia?
No, I'm Thai.
From all the way from Bangkok?
Yeah, Bangkok.
Of course, of course. But there's a lot of people in. Thank you for coming, Stephen. Thank you for coming to pick your phone up. He came the other night, he left his phone here. He wasn't coming tonight, he said screw your meat night. And then he's had to come to get his phone. Ruined his week. Thanks, mate.
Thank you.
More Australians in the house. We got Clint and Daniel.
From Geelong.
From Geelong, Malong.
My wife was going to come. Jo was going to come, but she had too many drinks by the pool.
Oh dear. So she's laid out in the hotel.
Yeah, I just hit the Tigers.
In the Tigers. So you having a good evening, lads? Except the missus, of course. Stop laughing, Daniel-ish. Thanks for coming. Roger's back in the house. How are you, mate?
I'm fine, yeah.
Well,
I'm looking forward to going home, but I'm going home on Sunday.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, you're leaving your beautiful wife again.
Big party.
Big party. When he goes. Gentlemen, how are you, sir?
Nice to meet you, mate.
And you, thank you very much for coming. Where are you from?
Australia.
There's a huge amount of Australians in tonight. Good evening, young man.
Hello, how are you?
How's the food?
Very nice, thank you.
Oh, what part of Australia are you from? North London, Australia. I know, mate.
Edmonton.
Huh?
Edmonton.
Oh, right, my hunting ground.
In Bounces Road.
Bounces Road, I had a house in Westminster Road off of Bounces Road. Yeah, man. I lived everywhere, I'm a pikey, really. Hey, what key opens any lock? A pikey. Nice to see you again, thanks for coming. Hello, somebody, mate. How are you? Good? Good. And you're a young man, how are you?
She's bad, I'm good.
Oh, she's bad, you're good, yeah. That's the way I like it as well. Gonna follow us on YouTube? Yes. Everyone got to follow on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button, the bell, the like, everything. He's a good guy. He is a good guy. That orange shirt scene at stayed though.
A bit hard with the rock.
I was between. Yes, I was between a rock and a hard place.
Oh, right.
She's playing about. Good evening, gentlemen. How are we? How are you? Thank you very much for coming. What's that on there?
What is this? Chain?
Is that chain?
Could be.
Ah, chain got a chain.
You bet.
This is my wife. She's not here, but she's at work right now. So.
Hello, your wife. My wife's at work as well till 11. And this gentleman is from Hawaii.
Hawaii, yeah.
Come all the way to see Thailand, not me. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you, your wife. Kevin. Kevin, round as punch from Harrogate.
Harrogate, yes.
How are you, mate?
I'm alright.
And the team's with you. The family, your wife, the children, and the wife's brother. They've all come down. How are you all?
Good to see you.
Yeah. Come to see Pattaya. Thank you very much for coming. You live in England, you live in Harrogate.
Yes.
And you have a pub and you do Thai restaurant food. Very, very good. Tuesdays and Thursdays at the Three Horseshoes in Harrogate. That's it. I'll collect the £100 later. Hello, mate. In the house. How are you? Still what?
I said I'm ordering a beer.
Still ordering a beer. Jeff's here.
Hi, Kev.
From America, all the way. Oh, he's been here 4 times, 5th time. I've only just got the camera out.
Trying the chili.
And the chili's lovely.
I haven't tried it yet.
Oh, well, it's lovely. Andy, how are you, mate? This is the El Governor of the house. Hello. So he's hiding. Come on, come on. What's that?
Sing a light.
Sing a light. In a glass. Fair shout. Ladies. Hello. What's up, mate? Winnie. Some newbies from Australia again. We'll get round this side. How are we?
Very good, Kev. How are we?
Very well. Thank you very much for coming.
No.
You having a good night?
Brilliant night. Brilliant night.
Thank you. And Scott?
Yes.
How you doing, mate?
How are you?
I'm awesome, mate.
I can see that, mate, the way you wear your hat, honestly.
That's it, brother.
Where's the missus?
She's at home with the kids.
Oh, good boy.
Yeah.
Oh, she's back at the house. Changed his children.
She's back there with the kiddies.
Oh, she's looking after the children while you come out to meet now. That was good of her.
It was very good.
What's her name?
Sky.
Sky, thank you very much for letting Scott out tonight. He said he'll give you £100 in the morning.
It'll cost him.
Shopping. It'll cost him.
I'll give her £500.
Oh, careful.
Yeah.
Careful, you're on camera, so we'll hold you to that.
Don't worry.
Thanks for coming, Scott. Thank you very much. They always screw up when I do that. I love it. Hello, how are you? Don't you go hiding away now. No. You've just been out of Camilla.
Yes.
How was Rob?
Rob was doing fine.
Yeah. Did he moan about me eating his soup?
No, he was moaning about his Snickers.
Oh, he snickered at it as well. He shouldn't leave them.
You shouldn't leave them.
He shouldn't leave them.
Shouldn't leave them.
I will always find them. Good evening, gentlemen. How are we? Ooh. Gentlemen in the house. How are we?
Good.
Thank you for coming, huh?
I'm marvellous, thank you.
You're marvellous. Captain Marvellous.
The beer is cold.
The beer, the weather's warm, the beer is cold.
You know it.
Oh, that's how it's got to be. And how are you, sir?
Oh, very well, thank you.
Very well, thank you.
I agree with his comments.
Okay, yeah. That's best way. Just agree.
Yeah, just agree, yeah.
Winter time week I'm from, so
Where you from?
I live in Australia, but I'm from New Zealand. He's from New Zealand.
New Zealand, but live in Australia.
It's a hop, skip and a
You
jump.
live in New Zealand. No, out of all these Australians, it's nice to see one that actually owns up and says he's from New Zealand.
fierce, proud too.
They are. They are. 100%. Thank you very much.
it should be.
So it should, that's how it should
proud.
be. Be proud.
Good on you, Kev.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello. He's back. He was over there just now. He's back from Anderson. Where's the other one? Oh, where's he gone? Ah, he's playing pool. Hello. Look what he's playing pool with. So would I be. So would I be. Hello, mate. How are you? I'm well, thank you. I'm very well. How are you, somebody, mate? Good. Michael!
What's up, everybody?
What's up? Here's a story from this gentleman.
You want to see it?
Huh?
We'll get it on.
Let's get round here. He came out, when was it? Came out in March. He came out in March, got an infection in his toe.
Went to the classic pharmacist.
Went to see the pharmacist for the antibiotics, and the pharmacist sold him
Dog worming tablets.
dog worming tablets.
That's what you end up with.
And that is what he ended up with.
That's my new name, 4 toes.
4 toes instead of 5. He lost a toe because the pharmacist sold you dog worming, but was in the right box for the
Everything down to
antibiotics.
the blister pack was perfect. The doctor couldn't believe it because he'd not seen anything like it.
Unbelievable.
750 baht, lose a toe. Check it
But,
out.
and to sit on the floor and slide your arse
Yeah,
along
that's
it.
right, I'm good at that.
Unbelievable.
I'm pleased.
Well, he flees. Wow. Unreal. Well, that's a better note to end this on. So, if you're up in Chiang Mai and you get a foot infection, make sure, go to the hospital first, not the pharmacy. Could cost you, well, a toe at least. And 750 baht. So, that's it for tonight. That's it from the Hideaway Bar Meat Night, 1st of August. Thank you all very much for coming. So many Australians tonight. I'm overwhelmed. I heard a toot and I had to look round and were a car. Unbelievable. Anyway, thank you very much for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye.
And the dreams that you dream of, dreams really